Deep on the ocean floor lies a colossal discovery. A massive, 2,000-year-old military fortress.
Towering over 300 meters long, this ancient war machine now rests in the deep. Advanced AI drones begin their full mapping scan, revealing a digital ghost of this colossal fortress.
Towering over 300 meters long, this ancient military fortress rests on the ocean floor. Now, advanced AI begins its very first scan. The sheer scale of this ancient megabase is almost beyond compression. Even giant blue whales are dwarfed by its massive frame. Hidden beneath the mud lies a secret. A colossal entrance, untouched for 2,000 years. Deep beneath the surface, a colossal relic of the past awaits its future. The world's largest underwater dome. The ultimate restoration mission begins now. The ancient megabase, spanning over 2 kilometers, is about to be enclosed. A massive energy dome expands, forever changing this underwater world. For the first time in 2,000 years, this ancient structure emerges from the deep. The first mega-wash of the ancient base begins. Centuries of thick ocean growth are blasted away, revealing the raw industrial steel hidden beneath. The restoration of the 2-kilometer megabase begins. Lasers peel back 2,000 years of rust, revealing the pristine steel beneath.
Deep beneath the surface lies a testament to ancient engineering, is meticulously scanned, while the rest of this massive citadel witnessed the rebirth of a legend.
Hold that position.
Locked and ready.
Hidden in the deep, this colossal fortress is being reborn. Hundreds of drones scan every inch of its restored walls, a silent titan awakening in the abyss. This is the world's large underwater megabase. It was built more than 2,000 years ago. Hidden beneath the deep ocean underwater city. Why build it underwater? The deep ocean protects the megabase from storms, enemy attacks, and extreme temperatures. Untouched for over 2,000 years, inside are giant command centers, living quarters, research laboratories, repair workshops, power stations, food storage, and enormous docking bays. It was built to support thousands of people. Large underwater vehicles enter through a giant pressure dock. First, the outer gate opens, and the dock fills with seawater. The vehicle enters safely before the outer gate closes behind it. Once the outer gate is sealed, powerful pumps remove all seawater from the docking chamber. Only after the chamber becomes completely dry does the inner gate open, preventing water from entering the megabase.
To leave the megabase, the process happens in reverse. The inner gate closes, the chamber fills with seawater, pressure becomes equal, and finally the outer gate opens, allowing the vehicle to return safely to the ocean.
The megabase produces its own electricity, using massive underwater energy systems. These power every light, machine, laboratory, and life support system, without depending on the outside world.
Thousands of engineers, scientists, and workers once lived inside this underwater city. They had homes, hospitals, kitchens, gardens, and everything needed to survive for months beneath the sea.
Every entrance is protected by multiple pressure gates, emergency locks, and advanced security systems. If one section is damaged, it automatically seals itself to keep the entire megabase safe.
Has been fully restored. One of the greatest engineering achievements ever imagined.